Home Assistant is a popular open-source home automation platform allowing users to control and automate various smart devices and services. The platform has been steadily growing in popularity over the years. With the release of Home Assistant 2023.5, users can take advantage of many new features and improvements. In this video, we will take a closer look at everything new in Home Assistant 2023.5. We have such a thrilling release for you this month. Voice takes center stage in this release, and we are beyond thrilled to be able to send you all this genuinely incredible material. This album is jam-packed, and the year of the voice for Home Assistant has only just begun, so let's dive right in. It's Home Assistant's Year of the Voice in 2023, and our objective is to allow you to command Home Assistant in your native tongue. We released Chapter 1 of this thrilling voyage in January, and this week we revealed Chapter 2. This release includes all of your previously stated features and more. As a result, starting with this update, you can actually communicate with Home Assistant. Here is a quick rundown of everything that has been revealed, along with links to additional information about each item. Making use of the new Assist pipelines, create your own voice assistant. Home Assistant Cloud-powered voice assistant. Piper-based fully regional text-to-speech. OpenAI-based fully local speech-to-text whisper. Wyoming integration and protocol. Make your own voice assistant using ESP Home. The Home Assistant Voice over IP integration. We polished the documentation and included some great project lessons to help you get started on your own private voice assistant journey. The most private voice assistant in the world. Using OpenAI, give your voice assistant a Super Mario persona, putting up a neighborhood assist pipeline. The tiny ESP Home voice assistant, which costs $13. Before we move ahead, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will personally reply to your comment. Manage what is exposed to your voice assistants. Voice control has become an increasingly popular way to interact with home automation systems. Home Assistant 2023.5 includes several new features that make it easier to control your smart home using your voice. Your settings menu now includes a brand new and intriguing menu item, Voice Assistants. You can access a ton of amazing new speech features through this new settings item. It also offers a new Expose page where you can control which entities are made available to your Assist, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It provides a summary of the entities you've made available to your voice assistants. It makes it simple to take away or add new ones. You can adjust the entity's aliases and turn on or off its exposure to a certain voice assistant by clicking on an entity on this screen to access its voice assistant settings. Through Home Assistant Cloud, this currently supports our Assist, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Improved Entity Setting. The Entity Settings dialog has undergone some good improvements that make it easier to use and more aesthetically pleasing. There used to be an expanding advanced part in the Entity Settings dialog that you could use to access features like showing, concealing, or disabling entities, modifying the area, etc. All of the features in the advanced area have been moved or deleted. Thus, no features were sacrificed in order to provide a much nicer interface. Since this is the Year of the Voice, you may have also noticed that the aforementioned screenshot includes the Voice Assistants option, which will display the following. This eliminates the need to return to the Voice Assistants panel in the main settings screen, and enables you to rapidly alter the voice assistants the entity is exposed to, including its aliases. Configuring the LEDs of your Home Assistant Yellow. The stunning Home Assistant Yellow enclosure lets you see the gorgeous board and components. However, the LEDs on the board might unintentionally light up your surroundings when it's dark. For instance, when your Home Assistant Yellow is in the same room as you sleep in. Using the Configure button on the Settings Hardware page, You can now configure, turn on or off the disk, heartbeat, and power LEDs of your Home Assistant Yellow. Webhooks trigger options. In this release, webhooks have been expanded. The GET HTTP method for webhooks is now supported by our system. That's not all, though. We also received some new security features for our webhook triggers. Now you have the option to specify which HTTP methods your webhook trigger uses and to restrict webhooks to your local network only. New Assist Pipeline and Language Selectors. The Assist Pipeline Selector and the Language Selector are two additional UI selectors that you can utilize with your blueprints if you are developing automation or scripting blueprints. This might be used, for instance, in a notification blueprint to enable changing the language of a text-to-speech notice. Improved User Interface. One of the most significant changes in Home Assistant 2023.5 is the improved user interface. The new UI is designed to be more intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier for users to navigate and customize their home automation systems. The new UI features a streamlined layout with improved graphics and icons and a new color scheme that makes it easier to read and understand. The new UI also includes several new features, such as the ability to create custom dashboards that can be customized with widgets for specific devices or services. Users can also create themes and color schemes to match their personal preferences and home decor. New integrations. Home Assistant 2023.5 has added support for several new integrations, including Tuya. This integration allows you to control Tuya-compatible devices, including smart lights, switches, and sensors. Wise. The Wise integration enables you to control Wise devices, such as cameras and smart plugs, from within Home Assistant. Netatmo. With the Netatmo integration, you can integrate Netatmo weather stations and thermostats into your Home Assistant setup. Improved Device Discovery. Home Assistant 2023.5 now features improved device discovery, making it easier to add new devices to your smart home. The new device discovery process includes automatic device recognition and setup, eliminating the need for manual configuration. New notification system. The Home Assistant team has also added a new notification system in version 2023.5. The new system allows you to receive notifications via email, SMS, or push notifications when certain events occur in your smart home. For example, you can receive a notification when a door is opened or when a sensor detects motion. Other noteworthy changes. There is a lot more juice in this edition. The following are some further important changes. The Home Assistant operating system version 10 is now available. The ODROID M1 is now supported, and memory management and data disk support have been improved. Bluetooth and Thread have had bugs fixed, and dependability increased. Matter also now supports covers. The backup procedure is now completed more quickly. Additionally, improved the ONVIF integration, which ought to make it more stable. Nice! The OpenAI conversation integration now allows you to set up several instances, each with a different prompt, for example. Fans of MQTT now have direction support. Nice! The support for button and dimmer events was added by ESP Home. This indicates that it works with the newest Shelly BLU Button 1. For some of the issues it discovered on your system, the supervisor can now create repair issues. A service that allows sorting of the shopping list was introduced by @MIB1185. Thank you! An attribute that lists the device trackers for this person has been added to the person entities. Incredibly helpful for templates. Thanks! The next DNS integration adds a ton of new parental control choices. Your Synology photos can now be seen in the media browser by Synology DSM. Simple Push now supports attachments. Certain Z-Wave notification sensors won't transition to idle mode on their own. You may now manually idle them by using the new notification idle buttons. Overall, Home Assistant 2023.5 is a significant update that brings many new features and improvements to the popular smart home automation platform. The updated UI, improved automation editor, and new integration makes it easier than ever to control your smart home while enhancing security. Thanks for watching our video on everything new in Home Assistant 2023.5. We hope you're excited about the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and comment down below, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment. See you next time.